Ito pala yung Honda Navi natin, no? Honda number 1. Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa Honda Abukay 3S Shop. Maglalabas tayo ng Honda Navi. Samahan nyo ako. Giorno. Ayun. Ayun, ito na yung Honda Navi. Hello po. Shout out sa Honda 3S Shop Abukay. Ito si Sir Ronald. Ito yung kausap ko dito sa ating Honda Navi. Sir Ronald. Okay guys, okay na kami sa loob. Nakapagpirmahan na kami. Ngayon, i-activate natin yung bagong Honda Navi. Nandito si Sir, yung mechanic dito sa Honda 3S Shop Abukay. Sir, anong name niyo, sir?
Bert
Bert
Alpuerto.
Okay, shoutout Sir Bert. Siya po yung mag-aayos nitong Navi natin. Ayan, na-activate na. Kitang-kita, bagong-bago. Niyakabit pa yung battery. Okay guys, malapit na natin ilabas ang Honda Navi natin. Ito yung unit. Yan, may free helmet na po tayo pag kumuha kayo dito. Free cellphone holder. At saka what's this? Card? Discount card. Discount card. Dito po yan sa Honda 3S Abukay Shop na. Okay guys, tapos na tayo dito sa Honda 3S Shop. Ngayon, lalabas na natin si Navi. Nakakapanibago siya mga guys. Kasi sanay ako sa manual. Nahanap ko yung perfect dito para sa preno. Okay na yan? Salamat po ah.
You're my lucky strike. Love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1,000,000 life, we could roll the dice. Act like you're surprised, but you already know. Oh yeah, got lucky overnight. Jackpot when I got the invite. Let me wrap my arms around you, 'cause I can't go home without you. And my heart just vibe with you back. Wanna go sky high with you back. Gotta bring you close to tell you you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you that you're my lucky strike. And I got to tell you, if you didn't know, then I got to tell you you're my lucky strike. Cooler than cold, I'm all in. So load up the dice, so heavy. The way that you roll, I'm falling. So I never fall. I'm ready to take my chances, to take my time, to keep on dancing. My lucky strike, love the way you ride. Look into my eyes, say you're ready to go. $1,000,000 life, we could roll the dice. Act like you surprised.